Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one very best website for the article submission and the social bookmarking. Consider according to your content and your requirement. So the website name is, I guess this is a big name to pronounce. Okay, and if you guys will create your backlink on this website, you will get the do follow backlink, high quality do follow backlink, and another benefit of this website, this backlink should be going to indexed in Google database. So if I can show you this backlink are indexed or not, so you can see site colon, then you can enter the hit button and you will see this backlink are indexed. Okay, so that's why you can consider this site for your backlinking, your article submission. And if we can talk about this website statics, so according to HREF, the domain rating is 56, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 39, and the spam score is 0%. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will there is no any requirement to you guys will create your profile, then you are able to publish your article. No, you can anonymously publish your article on this website. You can. So you can click on the message board. If you are able to see, you can press the, you can click on this, scroll something, and you will see there is a start new topic. You can click on this, and in the guest you can add your company name. There you can add your article title. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. So let me create article for this Jobma AI video interview software, and in the body you can add your content. And if you wanting to hyperlink on any targeted keyword, so how you can do this? So let me open the next tab, and there you can type hyperlink HTML. And if you don't know the hyperlink HTML syntax, so this is the syntax. You can paste this syntax between anywhere in content, and from the for the URL, for this URL you can replace with your website URL, and for this link text replace with your targeted keyword. So let me use this one in the content and the AI powered video interview platform. So I need to use this, I need to insert there my hyperlink. So let me paste the syntax here, and I can replace this keyword platform. You can remove from your content, replace with this text, link text, and you can replace your URL with this. So you will see I have replaced, and you can add your more and more content if you have. And after that, once you guys will add your content, you can click on the add topic button, and you will see our article is live now, and you will see our hyperlink inserted on our targeted keyword. And if I can show you this is instant approved backlink or not, so you will see this is instant approved backlink. And if I can show you this is a no follow or do follow, so you will see this is 100% do follow backlink with your a targeted keyword. So this is a very best website for your article submission. So definitely you can consider this site for your backlinking. So overall, this is the process for the backlinking on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.